Alright guys, I'm going to show you how to update your Samsung Galaxy Watch 7. This also works for other Galaxy Watches. Now it's pretty simple, so first swipe up. Press on the gear icon. Go down to Software Update. Press on Software Update. Press on Download and Install. Now you do have to be connected to your phone or Wi-Fi. My phone is now on. Once again, check for updates. There's an update downloading. It's going to automatically install tonight, but if you want, it can install now. Give it a few minutes. Gonna restart. And yeah, we're back in. Took about 10 minutes. Thanks for watching, guys.